Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Why was Bholi afraid when she was taken to the school? कौन आंसर करेगा? अमन? अमन कुमार सिंह, 10D. Aman, can you hear me? Aman Kumar Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
तुम्हारे दोस्त लोग क्लास क्यों नहीं करते हैं?
मैम नहीं पता मैम, क्योंकि मैम बोल रहे थे मैम कल मैम मेरा क्लास बहुत ठीक से नहीं चल रहा था, इसलिए मैम आज ये कल हम चैप्टर नहीं पढ़ पाए थे। बार बार।
10th वाला तो चला था अच्छा से।
नो मैम,
नहीं,
नहीं चल रहा था, मेरा नहीं चल रहा था।
10th वाला नहीं है।
मेरा नहीं चल रहा था मैम, डिस्कनेक्ट और कनेक्ट हो रहा था। यहाँ पे जैमर लगाया हुआ था एक स्कूल में।
ओके ओके। सृष्टि, you had attended yesterday's class? Srishti 10G?
Yes, ma'am.
So why was Bholi terrified when she was taken to the school? पर है ना भोली का। See, Bholi's father is taking her to school and you can see the expression on her face. She's so scared. Why was she scared when she was being taken to school? Srishti? Nitin, you know the answer? नितिन सिन्हा 10G.
यस मैम।
क्यों वो डरी हुई थी? स्कूल उसके फादर ले जा रहे हैं उसको, भोली को। यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर। Why is she scared? Why is there an expression of terror on her face?
Ma'am, because she thought that his father sell.
Okay, yes, good. She thought that her father is taking to sell her. एक दिन पहले ही उनकी जो बूढ़ी काऊ थी लक्ष्मी, उनको बेचा गया था। तो भोली को भी घर में सब बर्डन ही समझते थे। Why was Bholi considered a burden in the house? Yashraj 10G. Why was Bholi considered a burden in the house? Yashraj. प्री बोर्ड एग्जाम्स जो है वो स्कूल में ही होने वाले हैं, तो डोंट थिंक दैट it will be very easy for you. Everything will be very easy for you. You have to prepare for that thoroughly. Pre board exams are going to be held in the school. Don't think just as you managed in your first term, many of you, मैं सबको नहीं बोल रही हूँ. Let me send message in the class to join. ये हाँ So, why was Bholi considered a burden in the family? Who will answer? Sarika?
Yes, ma'am.
Why was Bholi considered a burden in the family?
Because she is not beautiful, nor intelligent.
Yes, very good, Sarika. Bholi was neither beautiful nor intelligent. When she was 8 months old, she fell down from the cot and got a head injury. Because of that, she lost her intelligence. Brain did not function properly. So 8 months old, first tragedy took place. Then second unfortunate incident happened when she was 2 years old. She got smallpox. She recovered from the smallpox, but that smallpox left black marks on her face and body. So then she lost her beauty also. So her other, if you look at her other three sisters, Champa and क्या नाम था? She had three elder sisters, and her three sisters were very beautiful. उसकी और जो तीन बड़ी बहनें थी वो तीनों सुंदर थी, लेकिन भोली जो है वो she lost her beauty because of the pock marks. So everyone neglected her in the family. She was considered a burden. So when the father was taking her to school, but she thought that father was taking to sell her, just like the old cow who had become a burden for them and they sold it. And how was Bholi's first day at the school? Who will answer this question? What happened? Prince Raj? Prince Raj? Can you hear me, Prince Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
How was Bholi's first day at school? What happened in the school?
हमें याद नहीं है.
याद नहीं है. किसको याद है? प्राची? प्राची, why? क्या पूछ रहा था? How was Bholi's first day at school? What happened in the school? What did the teacher ask her? And what happened after that? Prachi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
How was Bholi's first day at school?
मैम
हाँ, बोलो.
मैम टीचर उसका नाम पूछती है, वो नाम नहीं बता पाती सही से. यही कुछ ऐसा कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा.
हाँ, तो इंग्लिश में बोलो. सोच के उसको ट्रांसलेट करके tell in English. The teacher asked Bholi her name, but what happened? She started stammering.
She stammered.
Because of the head injury, Bholi even couldn't speak very clearly. उसने बोलना भी 5 years के एज में सीखा था. सर में जो चोट लगी उसके कारण जो है इंटेलिजेंस भी खत्म हो गई और स्पीच भी अफेक्टेड हो गया था. तो शी वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्पीक क्लियरली. So initially she was happy when she saw so many girls of her age. She thought that someone will be her friend. but the teacher asked her name और वो हकलाने लगी और बाकी जो बच्चे हैं वो हंसने लगे, and she felt very humiliated. Come on now. Bholi could not understand. She could stammer no further than that. Then she began to cry and tears flowed from her eyes. So, what did the teacher do when Bholi started crying? No, what did the teacher do after the school was over? All the children went out, but Bholi kept sitting in the classroom. How did the teacher comfort her? Bholi was very unlucky that two tragedy happened in her childhood. But she was lucky that she got a good teacher. Our teacher was very sympathetic. How was Bholi's teacher? Very kind, loving, sympathetic. जब सारे बच्चे जो है भोली हकलाने लगी और सारे बच्चे जो है वो उसको देख के हंसने लगे. Tears, she could answer. The students started laughing at her, and she felt very bad. Look up at the girls who she knew that were still laughing at her. Girls laughed at her when she stammered. वो अपना नाम भी ठीक से नहीं बोल पाई और लड़कियां जो है उस पे हंसने लगे. But the teacher was very good. The teacher, she consoled her, comforted her. Teacher ने उसको comfort किया, comforted, soft and soothing. And it was first time that someone was speaking to Bholi so nicely. She had never been called like that. आज से पहले भोली को उतने प्यार से किसी ने नहीं बुलाया था. घर में तो सब उसको निग्लेक्ट ही करते थे. ना वो सुंदर थी, ना वो इंटेलिजेंट थी, तो एवरीवन निग्लेक्टेड हर. स्कूल भी उसको भेजा जा रहा तो अंडर कंपल्शन, बिकॉज द तहसीलदार told him that you have to put your daughter in school. And the teacher comforted Bholi when she started crying. Bholi stammered, and the girls laughed at her, and she started sobbing. And it was the teacher who comforted her, and it was just a friendly suggestion. और जब टीचर ने भोली को उठने के लिए कहा तो वो भी कमांड के तरह नहीं कहा, एकदम फ्रेंडली वे में. So teacher was very kind, loving, sympathetic. Now tell me your name. फिर टीचर ने फिर उससे कहा नाम बताने के लिए. And again Bholi thought that whether she will be able to speak her name or not, again disgrace her. But for the sake of this kind woman, who is the kind woman over here?
Ma'am, that teacher.
Aheli, can you hear me? Aheli, Satyam, can you hear me? Satyam Tenji.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the kind woman?
I'm the teacher.
Yes, good. So the teacher is the kind woman. Aheli did not respond. Why? Joined the class and gone away somewhere. What to do with it? So the teacher encouraged her, come on, full name. For the sake of this kind woman, she decided to make an effort. वैसे वो कोई effort नहीं करती, लेकिन उसने सोचा कि टीचर इज सो काइंड, वो टीचर का बात मानना चाहती थी. So she made an effort. She had such a soothing voice, very comforting, uh, comforting, pleasant. टीचर का आवाज जो है वो बहुत ही कंफर्टिंग और प्लेजेंट था. शी वुड नॉट लाफ एट हर. एटलीस्ट उसको पता था कि अगर वो फिर हकलाएगी तो टीचर तो कम से कम नहीं हंसेगी उस पे. She began to stammer. Well done, well done. The teacher encouraged her. Come on now, the full name. So the teacher encouraged her to say her full name and finally बहुत प्रयास के बाद जो है वो अपना पूरा नाम बोल पाई, भोली. At last she was able to say it and felt relieved. Relieved means relaxed. So she was relaxed that at least she was able to pronounce her full name. हाँ, बहुत प्रयास के बाद भोली अपना पूरा नाम बोल पाई. Well done, the teacher patted her affectionately and said, put the fear out of your heart. भोली ने बोलना क्यों बंद कर दिया था? Because the other girls used to laugh at her. The other girls used to mimic her. भोली जब हकलाती थी तो दूसरी लड़कियां जो थी वो उसका कॉपी करती थी, उस पे हंसती थी, तो उसके मन में डर बैठ गया. No one wants others to make fun of them. मजाक कोई उड़ाए ये तो कोई नहीं चाहता है, तो उसने बोलना ही बंद कर दिया. But what was the teacher's effort? The teacher wanted to drive out the fear out of Bholi's mind. The teacher's effort was to drive out the fear. So she said कि मन से डर निकाल दो कि कोई हंसेगा, कोई क्या कहेगा, and you will be able to speak like everyone else. So the teacher knew Bholi's problem. What was the problem? What was the problem that Bholi was not able to speak?
Fear.
द फियर. तो टीचर ने उसको एडवाइस किया कि तुम मन से डर निकाल दो और तुम ठीक से बोल पाओगे. पुट द फियर आउट ऑफ योर हार्ट एंड यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक लाइक एवरीवन एल्स. भोली लुक्ड अप एज इफ टू आस्क रियली. भोली को विश्वास नहीं हुआ. भोली को पूछना चाहती थी टीचर से कि क्या सच में ऐसा हो सकता है कि मैं ठीक से बोल पाऊं. रियली. Yes, it will be very easy. You just come to school every day. So one more quality of the teacher, she was very encouraging, kind, helpful, gentle. She was also encouraging. Yes, it will be very easy. You just come to school every day. Will you come? What did the teacher advise her? To attend school every day. She said that attend school every day. एंड विल यू कम. तो टीचर ने उससे पूछा कि तुम स्कूल रोज आओगी. एंड भोली नॉडेड. शी सेड यस. नॉडेड मीन्स व्हाट? शी रिप्लाइड इन द पॉजिटिव. नो, से इट अलाउड. और व्हाट डिड द टीचर वांट? द टीचर वांटेड भोली टू स्पीक एज मच एज शी कैन. ज्यादा से ज्यादा वो बोलेगी, प्रैक्टिस करेगी, तभी उसका स्टैमरिंग कम होगा. क्योंकि उसने तो बोलना एकदम कम कर दिया था, ये सोच के कि लोग उसका मजाक उड़ाएंगे. तो भोली's teacher wanted to encourage her to speak as much. So she said that don't nod, you answer yes. And Bholi herself was astonished. भोली को खुद भी आश्चर्य हुआ कि yes उसने कैसे एक बार में ही बोल दिया था. ये 2 बार. So she was able to speak the word yes finally. And Bholi herself was astonished that she had been able to say it. Bholi was surprised कि yes word उसने आसानी से बोल दिया. Didn't I tell you? Now take this book. So teacher said, I told you कि डर मन से निकाल दो. Drive out the fear out of your mind and then you will be able to speak. Means don't bother about the people's reaction. Drive out the fear. Then the teacher gave Bholi a book. New book bhi mila Bholi ko. The book was full of nice pictures and the pictures were in color. So what kind of book was that the Bholi's teacher gave her. It was Bholi's teacher gave her a very nice book, and the book was full of pictures. एक सुंदर किताब भी दिया जिसमें बहुत सारे pictures थे. Goat, a dog, cat, goat, horse, parrot, tiger, and a cow just like Lakshmi. Lakshmi is the name of Bholi's cow, which had been sold by her parents because the cow had become a burden. And with every picture was a word in big black letters. So there was picture and there was the words written in big black letters. In 1 month you will be able to read this book. And Bholi's teacher said to Bholi कि 1 महीने में ही तुम लिखना पढ़ना सीख जाओगे. In 1 month you will be able to read this book. Then I will give you a bigger book. Then she said that once you are able to read this book, I will give you a bigger book. I will give you a bigger book, then still a bigger one. In time, you will be more learned than anyone else in the village. तो भोली के टीचर ने क्या कहा कि पहले तुम ये किताब खत्म करो, then I will give you bigger book and you will become the most educated girl in the village. In time, you will be more learned than anyone else in the village. Then no one will ever laugh at you. And Bholi's teacher said, once you become educated, एक बार तुम शिक्षित हो जाओ तो कोई तुम पे नहीं हंसेगा. Once you become educated, what will happen? People will respect you and they will listen to you. So Bholi's teacher was very, very encouraging. So the meeting with the teacher was a turning point in Bholi's life. Bholi's life was very unfortunate. बचपन में ही 2 बुरी घटनाएं हो गई. एक बार उसको सर पे चोट लगा और दूसरी बार जो है पूरे शरीर में ब्लैक मार्क्स आ गया स्मॉल पॉक्स के कारण. So 2 unfortunate incidents happened in her life. But what was the good thing in her life? That she met a very nice teacher who was very encouraging, very kind. And she told to Bholi that if you drive out the fear out of your mind, if you drive out the fear out of your mind, you can speak properly without stammering. And she said that once you learn to read, everyone will respect you. Once you learn to read and write, everyone will respect you. And you will be able to speak without the slightest stammer. So this also she is so encouraging. उसको encourage कर रही है कि तुम कोशिश करोगी तो ऐसा जरूर होगा कि तुम बिना हकलाते बोल सकती हो. Understand. Now go home and come back early tomorrow morning. And the meeting of the teacher was a turning point in Bholi's life. Meeting of the teacher was a turning point. क्योंकि वहां से जो है भोली का लाइफ बदलना शुरू हुआ. अभी तक जो है वो बहुत उदास रहती थी, डिप्रेस्ड रहती थी. एंड व्हाट डिड शी फील? भोली को लगा कि उसके कान में घंटियां बज रही है. दिस एक्सप्रेसेस हर हैप्पीनेस. Bholi felt suddenly as if all the bells in the village temple were ringing. And so how did Bholi felt? She felt very, very happy. As if the bells, जब बहुत खुश होता है आदमी तो क्या ऐसा लगता है कि घंटियां बज रही हैं. She felt as if all the trees had blossomed, full into big red flowers. Her heart was throbbing with a new hope and a new life. Her heart was throbbing means beating. Her heart was beating. So who brought this hope and happiness in Bholi's life? Priyanshu Tenji था तो छोड़ दिया. Priyanshu Kumar Tenji. Priyanshu, can you hear me? Priyanshu Kumar Tenji. गायब. Aman Kumar Singh, 10D. Aman Kumar Singh, who had brought this hope and happiness in Bholi's life? Aman Kumar Singh, Aman 10D. कल नेटवर्क कनेक्शन था, आज भी वही है ना? You have joined the class and gone somewhere. Aman Kumar. अमन कुमार सिंह, तुषार का नाम मुझे कहीं दिखा था। तुषार कुमार सिंह, 10D. Very good. Join the class and go away somewhere. Aman Kumar Singh. Ria, can you answer? Who brought hope and happiness in Bholi's life? Ria? किसने?
Teacher, ma'am.
Teacher. Yes, very good, Ria. So, see, Aman did not respond. And you will have plenty of excuses. मुझे पता है कि बहुत सारा excuse होगा तुम लोग के पास. The teacher brought a new hope and happiness in Bholi's life, and she felt as if the bells were ringing, the trees were full of big red flowers, and she brought a new hope and happiness in Bholi's life. Thus years passed. The village became a small town. So development took place. Development of the village. The village developed into a small town. The little primary school became a high school. जब गांव में स्कूल खुला था, तहसीलदार had come to inaugurate it. छोटा सा स्कूल था. But with the passing of the time, what happened? It became a high school. Then there was a cinema. So the village was developing. The village was developing. The primary school became a high school. Then a theater was opened. Cinema हॉल आ गया. अंडर अ टिन शेड. भले ही वो बहुत बड़ा कोई हॉल नहीं था, लेकिन सिनेमा आ गया. कॉटन गिनिंग मिल. देन अ मिल वाज आल्सो एस्टैब्लिश्ड in the village. A mill was also established in the village. The mail train began to stop at the railway station. It became a stoppage. Village became a railway stoppage. रेलवे स्टॉपेज भी हो गया वो गांव. तो gradually what was happening? The village was developing. Gradually the village was developing. Lot of development was taking place. The primary school became the high school. ट्रेन का स्टॉपेज हो गया. फिर वहां एक फैक्ट्री जो है वो एस्टैब्लिश हो गया. सिनेमा हॉल आ गया. तो one night after dinner, Ramlal said to his wife, "Then shall I accept Bishambar's proposal?" Bishambar is the name. So Bishambar is the name, and a marriage proposal has come. भोली के लिए एक मैरिज प्रपोजल आया है, शादी का प्रपोजल. और किसके तरफ से आया है? बिशंबर नाम के आदमी ने भोली के लिए मैरिज प्रपोजल भेजा. So there has come a marriage proposal for Bholi. And who has brought this proposal? Priyanshu Kumar. Priyanshu Kumar? Gayab.
Ma'am, may I?
Sarika. Okay. Okay, Sarika. Who has brought the marriage proposal for Bholi?
December.
Oh, Vishambar. Yes. तो भोली के लिए एक रिश्ता आया विशंबर नाम के आदमी से. Yes, certainly his wife said. No, Bholi's family thought that she will not get married because she is ugly, because she is not intelligent. But his wife said Bholi will be lucky to get such a well-to-do bridegroom. Well-to-do means rich. So Vishambar is a rich person. तो भोली की माँ बहुत खुश हो गई. She said that our daughter is very lucky that she has got a marriage proposal from such a rich person, bridegroom. दूल्हा, bridegroom मतलब दूल्हा. A big shop, a house of his own, and I hear several thousand in the bank. तो भोली बिशंबर जो है, he is a rich man. What are the things he has? उसके पास एक बिग शॉप है, हाउस है, अपना घर है, एंड बैंक बैलेंस भी है. He has lot of money in the bank. So Bholi's mother is very happy. Moreover, he is not asking for any dowry. What is the positive thing? बिशंबर को कोई दहेज भी नहीं चाहिए. वो एक अमीर आदमी है, बड़ा सा दुकान है, बड़ा सा घर है, बैंक में भी बहुत सारे पैसे हैं बिशंबर के पास. तो और ये व्हाट इज द प्रियांशु डिसअपियर्ड. ठीक है, वेरी नाइस. अमन डिसअपियर्ड. क्वेश्चन. तुषार, कैन यू हियर मी? तुषार सिन्हा, टेंडी.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of a man was Bishambar? Tushar?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he is a rich man. He has a big shop, a house, and several thousand rupees in his bank.
Okay,
And
very
he
good.
does not demand any dowry.
Yes, very good, Tushar. Come on. क्लास का इज्जत तुम थोड़ा सा रख लिए. टेंडी तो एकदम बर्बाद क्लास है. Very nice. So, as I have told you, the pattern has changed. You are going to get MCQ questions. And don't think it is very easy. MCQ में तो और आपको इतना confusing options मिलेगा that you have to be perfect. Then only you will be able to answer. So, line by line, you have to know all the chapters. But it's all right. That is right, but he is not so young, you know, almost the same age as I am. लेकिन बिशंबर की उम्र क्या थी? बिशंबर was as old as Bholi's father. So as old as Bholi's father. So you can just imagine कि भोली के माँ बाप जो हैं उसको उसकी शादी किससे कराना चाहते हैं? भोली के फादर के एज का आदमी है बिशंबर. एंड ही ऑल्सो लिम्स मीन्स कैनॉट वॉक प्रॉपरली, लंगड़ाता है. सो भोली's parents are marrying her to a man who is just the same age as Bholi's father, and just because he is rich and he is not demanding any dowry, so it is very clear that they consider as a burden, whichever proposal is coming, marry her off, even if the man is so aged, twice her age, the same age as Bholi's father. That is right, he is not so young, almost the same age as I am. भोली के फादर कह रहे हैं कि बिशंबर जो है वो मेरी उम्र का है. And he also limps. Moreover, the children from his first wife are quite grown up. Bishambar also has grown up children. बिशंबर has grown up children. बड़े बड़े बच्चे हैं उसके. बस पैसा है, बैंक बैलेंस है. तो Bholi's parents are willing to marry her off. So I'm ending today's class. We'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow to test है, Monday. Okay. Very disappointing. Even those who join, half of them, they go away somewhere. Aman did not, and I remember all the names who don't respond. Aman, Priyanshu, और एक किससे पूछे थे क्वेश्चन जो गायब. Haley also did not respond. Stop share. Stop share. Stop share नहीं हो रहा. तो stop share करेंगे तब ना. हाँ?